I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacy.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to be doing a bit of a mixture of things. So going to try and get that radiator support nice and ready to try and, I guess, fix up the front end. Probably fix up the rest of the wiring harness as well. Put the fuse box back. Might get into the interior again, start doing some stuff in there, but slowly work through it all. Don't do it in this video, obviously do it in upcoming ones. Don't really have much of a plan of what to do when. Sort of just doing it. All needs to be done, so I'm just trying to clean it up as well as fix it up. So it's all a work in progress. So we'll jump straight into fixing up the wiring harness and start off where we left off last time. So obviously fixing up this conduit here. Got to fix up the grommet there, grommet over here, clean up all this wiring harness. Obviously put the fuse box back, and I'll probably start on the frame rail. Well, not the frame rail, the radiator support. So I'll start on that one, slowly work through it, and probably in the next video I'll jump into the interior, start doing some stuff in there as well. So try and mix it up for you, but it is what it is. You can only do so much. So we'll just jump right into it. Guys, just got my conduit here, so I'm just going to basically wrap that whole wire there, join it up to this one, just to try and keep it nice and clean, protected, and it looks all nice and professional as well. So to do that, we're going to have to remove this clip here, and basically just slide it on. Pretty straightforward, and then I'll electrical tape it all up, join it up to this one so it looks nice and neat, and then we'll keep on working on the rest of the wiring harness. So there it is, guys. Nice and easy. Looks a lot cleaner, simple, but definitely does the job. Makes it look, I guess, OEM as well. I can't really do this one up here. I don't have the right size conduit for that, so I'll have to go get some larger conduit. So apart from that, probably move on to drilling out the new front end I got, the radiator support, so I'll move on to start doing that. So guys, it's getting a little late now, probably have to wrap it up for today, but be back tomorrow and we'll start on the radiator support, get that at least probably drilled out, hopefully. I'll have to paint it black as well, try and match the engine bay. So we'll start that either tomorrow or the next day, and then obviously you'll have this video by Tuesday. So catch you tomorrow. What's up guys, back for another day here. So as we left off last time, just finished up this piece here. Today I'll run out, grab some of that, but I probably won't show you that until I've all put everything back in, buttoned it all up. So today we'll be going on with the radiator support. Basically just trying to get all these spot welds out. So you got obviously one all the way along, some underneath, all the way up, some along here as well. So probably going to take a while. I'll just show you one side and do the other side by myself, just so you don't have to sit and watch me drill holes out. But that's the plan of attack for today. See how we go. Probably take a little while. If anyone knows anything about Australian summers, it gets pretty hot. So we're not even in summer yet. We're 35 degrees. So tool's been overheating. GoPro just overheated, but we'll see how we go. Obviously take it slow. Take a little bit to do, but we'll get there in the end. So I've just been using Milwaukee drill, 5.5mm end bit or drill bit. Also been using this spot weld drill bit as well. So that definitely comes fairly handy. So just before I start drilling out all those spot welds, I'll have to take off this one here, and then I'll probably take off those supports down the side and on the other side. Just help a bit, make it a bit easier. But start off with this one. Easy as that. So yeah, I'll just do the other ones, then go through the plan of attack for getting all these spot welds out. So guys, plan of attack for this, basically just going to be drilling out all these spot welds here. Try and separate the frame rail from this main piece here. Obviously you don't need this frame rail, so we'll try and separate all this by just going to be trying to drill a pilot hole. I'll be using this spot weld drill bit. Just basically drill it out. Then we'll have to clean them up and put it aside, and then we'll have to paint it black to try and match the rest of the engine back here. Just trying to make it look, I guess, OEM as possible. So we'll just start on that, get back to you when made some progress or had any troubles with what we're doing. So you see you then. So this is the side that I've already started. So obviously that's the spot weld drill bit, and that's the other just 5.5, so just been drilling them out. Obviously still got a fair few to go, but still got one here that I'll have to get. Another one just right there. And obviously all these ones as well. And then obviously the ones up here. So we'll keep on working on that. Take our time, but we'll get there. Probably in an upcoming video as well, we'll have to prep all this, scuff it up, primer it, and paint it black. Try and match the rest of the engine bay. As you can see, it's all black. Probably just keep it that as for now, just till it gets back up and running on the road. Then we'll probably work out what to do if we want to take out the engine, clean it up a bit more as well. But we'll keep on going with this. Get back to you if we have any problems or major progress has been made. So we'll keep on going. So there you have it, guys. Finally got it all off. Didn't really show you the last bit, but it took me about 4 hours. So that's got it all off. I've just painted it, given it a rough coat of black paint just to cover up all the exposed metal, but that's it. It's one side done. So that'll just get put onto the existing frame rail, and we'll have to remove this one as well. So that'll be good once that's all done, but obviously got to fix up this one here, cut it off, put the new one on. So that's probably going to be it for, I guess, today's video. Like, subscribe and comment, all that fun stuff, meant a lot. In the next one, I don't know what we'll be doing, but try and get one out next week for you. Keep updated, keep enjoying what you're doing, and stay positive. See ya.